another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to properly put oil in your scalp. If you have oily hair, please disregard this video. This is not for you. This is for our clients who have dry scalp. Now, I always have mentioned to you guys that the best way to do that is to get a cotton ball or like this cotton pads, and then what you would do is you will pour the oil in you'll pour it right, you'll pour it here, and then you will separate where each microlink is installed. Let's say you do a line right here, and then you would go like this with the cotton ball. And you will do that, and that will help not to have oil dripping all around, because the oil can either get stuck in the weft and create buildup, and it can also slip the microlinks, help it like slip faster, and we definitely do not want that. So yeah, so that's the trick. Cotton ball, you pour the oil on top of it, you separate where the weft is at, and you put it in your scalp, and you continue to do that process. I would say work your way from the top to the bottom, or from the bottom to the top, whatever works best for you. So if you have any questions, please email us or give us a call, and we will answer you back as soon as we can. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye.